Today, I'm going to show you the simplest and most effective way to create hyper-realistic AI influencers, completely for free. Step 1. First, we need a base model, a source image for our AI influencer. For this, go to Pinterest. Here, you'll find thousands of influencer-style images. Choose any image that fits your vision and download it. Step 2. Now head over to Lowered AI. They provide daily free credits, which are more than enough for this process. Click on the plus icon, then select Image Generator. Upload the image you downloaded, select Nano Banana Pro. As the model, set the resolution to 2K. Change the aspect ratio to 3:4. Now paste the prompt from the description and click Generate. And just like that, your AI influencer is created. A fully digital model, hyper-realistic, clean, and professional. Now let's bring this influencer to life with motion. Go back to Pinterest and select any video reference: dance, lip sync, pose, or movement. Copy the video link and download it. Next, open Frame Extractor. Upload the video. Set the frame number to 1. Click Extract and download the frame. Now return to Lowered AI Image Generator. Upload 2 images: the AI influencer model and the extracted video frame. Use a prompt that instructs image 2 to follow the pose and styling of image 1. Set resolution to 2K. Aspect ratio to 3:4. Then click Create. This gives you a perfectly aligned AI image, ready for motion animation. Now go to KEI AI and sign in with your Google account. Open the API Market. Select Kling Motion Control. Upload your AI influencer image. Upload the reference video. Remove the default prompt. Set resolution to 720p, which is more than enough. Click Run. Your AI video will now be generated. The movement is smooth, the motion is natural, and the realism is extremely high. And that's it. This is how you create hyper-realistic AI influencers for free. No paid tools, no subscriptions, no advanced editing. Like the video. Subscribe for more AI content. And join the future.